Hello everyone, my name is Osa, technical analyst of Super Forex. Today we shall be looking at the Canadian dollars Japanese yen on the daily time frame. As usual, we'll be looking at the support and resistance zones as well as the channel presentation, and this currency has been playing an interesting role with regards to price action. And from our chart observation, we'll notice that price traveled from a major support area here in a zigzag manner. You see how price went up to find resistance on the resistance trend line, then price came down to find support, then went up to find resistance, then came down to find temporary support, then went up to find resistance, then came down to find another support, then went up to find resistance, eventually breaking the resistance trend line. And we could see how price pushed up and came back to find support on the resistance trend line. You could see how the resistance trend line is acting as a support level. And from this point, we could see how price has been trending up, trying to find the 80.128 mark. So from our chart observation, we are looking at two possible market scenarios. The first scenario is continuous bullish pressure, which send the Canadian dollar Japanese yen further up to find temporary resistance at price 80.128. Then at this point, the market would decide to either continue the bullish ride or come down to find support at price 76.678. That is to say, continuous bullish pressure would send the Canadian dollar Japanese yen further up to find temporary resistance at price 80.128, and continuous bullish pressure and a break and close above this zone would send the price at the pair further up to find a major resistance at price 81.675. Why continuous bearish pressure and inability to break and close above the 80.128 mark would send the currency further down to find major support at price 76.678. Like I said before, we are looking at two possible market scenarios. The first scenario is continuous bullish pressure, and a break and close above the 80.128 mark would send the currency further up to find major resistance at price 81.675. Why continuous bearish pressure and inability to break and close above the 80.128 mark would send the currency further down to find major support at price 76.678. Thank you very much.